What's going on, everybody? Sami here again with the Strategic Swing Trader newsletter. So at T3, I run two programs. I'm Director of Education, first and foremost, but I also run the Strategic Day Trader trading room, and I also run the Strategic Swing Trader newsletter, where I send out my plays, my calls, every day at around 8:30 a.m. in an email that goes to everybody's inbox. So I just want to make sure I clarify that because with the two programs, I think people can get easily confused. I want to switch on the charts and show you what we got for next week. First, I did a market update. I wanted to do it. I know I always do the market update when in this video when I go over the watches for next week. But in this case, I wanted to do it separately because I think we had a pretty important market update, and so I just did a whole video on it. Feel free to watch it. It's in the playlist, in the Facebook or playlist or the YouTube watch list. At any rate, I think the market topped out. Okay, you have not heard me say that at all in the last 3 months. In fact, I've been long the market since December 28th and just got out on the 21st. In the last video, I showed my email account to show my exit, my confirmation in my 401k. Basically, just got out of the market. If you're in the strategic day trader room with me, then you knew I was going to do that because I told you so. And then I got in on the 28th. So that was that. Here it is. That was the entry. So, oh no, that's not the one. Let's see. The 28th. Where's that 28th email? Let's see. Here it is. The 28th. See it? That's it says March. Oh, ignore this. Here's the date. December 28th. I was just reading this wrong. I don't know what that is. March 25th, but December 28th. So I wanted to say that I think the market topped out. I was able to capture about maybe 90% of the move so far, 80%, something like this, which is fine. And I think the market topped out because we got the wide range bar after 3 months up, and we got pretty close to the prior top. From there, I don't see much upside potential, and I see a lot more downside risk. So if you actively manage, then I would say be out. Now, it would have been ideal to have gotten out right at the top, but I don't think it's still a very late exit. Just I guess 4 or 5%. Well, that's kind of a late exit. So that would have been the ideal place to get out. But I think also if you don't manage the active 401k accounts or long-term accounts, then I don't see a reason to panic. I think the market's going to drop a little bit and then from here go sideways. That's what I think, and then eventually actually go higher, because this was just such a bullish move that we're not going to fall too far down, I don't think. But at any rate, I think the market topped out, and now I'm basically focused on the shorts. Everything I have is short now. Tell you the truth, I'm not supposed to show you my P&L because T3 told me that they want to focus on showcasing the education and what you can expect to get by taking one of my seminars or by joining me in the room, which I guess is the right approach. So you're not going to see me showing the P&L anymore. I just kind of forgot. I was entering my plays, entering orders for my trades for Monday, so that's why I had my account open. Okay, for Monday, here's what I got long. Not a lot, as you can see. I have just a few. We have base breakout setting up on the WY, so over the base, like it higher. Flat 20, but it's all right. I don't love it. Flat 20. Tell you the truth, I'm not gonna be entering these unless I get a secondary entry. Oh, I have more than these. Oh, so these are actually my backup ideas. Here's my 3 top ideas. These are all the same. These are 1, 2, 3 setups. They're good. They're not bad. They're just 1, 2, 3 setups with a flattish 20. See this flat 20? If it had a rising 20 like so, a 45-degree rising 20, I would definitely be playing this long tomorrow. But because it has a flattish 20, I'm going to hold off. Okay, the same with the MPW, same with Kim, which is another real estate stock. But to tell you the truth, I gave you my backup list. I meant to give you this list. Those are the top 3 for me tomorrow. 1, 2, 3 on the NVRO, base breakout. Okay. ENT is a climactic long. I like the transition A on the hourly chart. Let me show you the hourly chart. That's not bad. Would like it to go sideways for one more day, but if it doesn't, I'm still looking at playing the ENT long. And closed CLSD is a little stock. We've seen the little stocks get really big, really fast. BPTH comes to mind, from $2 or a dollar something to 73. I mean, it's just insane. Now, I'm not envisioning the same for CLSD, but over the base, I like it higher. Out of these 3, I'm planning on playing 1. The bearish list is better, but it's a little late. As I showed you, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 positions short already. So it's a little late entering short, especially since we got a wide range bar. The fact that we got a wide range bar yesterday tells me that usually we still have room, but usually we get a narrow range bar the next day. So okay, after wide range bar, we usually, like this was a wide range green bar, the next day a narrow range bar, wide range bar here, next day a narrow range bar. So usually, not always. So it's a little late entering now after this wide range red bar, but I am gonna take at least one of these plays. And if you're in the strategic swing trader, then you can actually access your account right now, log into your account online, and you'll see which one of these I'm playing. If you don't want to log into your account, you'll get the email alert, the newsletter in the morning, so you don't even have to log into the account. You can just wait for the email. XON sell setup, base breakdown also right here, stop above it, right off the declining 20. Not bad, huh? As a sell setup. WBA is another sell setup, very similar, by the way. XON, WBA. Which one of the 2 is better, you think? What do you think? Which one of the 2 is better? I got you now. Let's see if you can tell which one is the better setup. I'm not asking you to predict which one's going to work better. That even I don't know. You never know for sure. But which one of the 2 is the better setup? Why don't you type in the comment if you're interested? Leave a comment with whether it's XON or WBA. Just let me know, and I'll type in my answer later on. Okay? Like after I finish recording the video. But for those watching it live, feel free to type in your answer. Okay? Pets is a breakdown plus a 1, 2, 3. I mean, that is super weak. Just really, really weak. Compare the pets, PETS, to the market. The market has been screaming higher. This thing has been basing at the lows. So I like the pets a lot. And DLS also pretty bearish, had a gap down on earnings, and then now has a kind of a breakdown. You can also call it a 1, 2, 3 under this bar's low short, stop above the base. Fizz is a breakdown just under this little base, stop above it. I had the CASA and I think it looked, but I'm already out. Unfortunately, I got shaken out on this day. Similar to the Fizz, the FIZZ. Short right here, stop above the high. CTXS is a breakdown, or you can say also a sell setup, because what's the difference between a breakdown and a sell setup? A breakdown is when you have a base breakdown. A sell setup is when you have a counter rally and a sell setup. That's called a sell setup. So in this case, we have a breakdown right here, but we also have a rally and a sell setup. So this is a kind of a play on a play, two plays in one. CHMI had a terrific gap down this day, just a beautiful gap down, and then now another small base, and then a breakdown coming. I don't like to short into a bottoming tail, but just under the bars, stop above the high, and then ABC, I'm already in some. I'm looking to add to it. Is a sell setup also. A lot of the I guess, what do you call them? The retail pharmaceuticals, CVS, Walgreens, WBA, they have sell setups. ABC, I think, is medical distribution, is what it is. But anything medical, uh, it looks good lower now. So, and right now I dumped all my long positions, and as you saw, I switched to shorts because the market topped out. As I showed you, also got out of my 401k on the 21st. Okay, so that's that. Did I show you my email? I forgot if I don't know if I did or didn't, but show you proof that I actually I got out of the market. And so here it is, March 21st. That's my confirmation from Paychex, which is the 401k company that manages the 401k account. And then my entry was December 28th. So I captured a pretty good amount of the market. I didn't get in on the exact bottom, but a couple days later, 3 days later. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you are interested in trading with me, swing trading, then be sure to check out the link to the Strategic Swing Trader newsletter. If you're interested in day trading with me, there's an incredible offer right now where you can trade with me for 30 days for just $49. 30 days for just $49. Also, there's a link to that in the description. If you have any questions, reach out to T3 Customer Service. But that will be it for today. 3 videos. Be sure to view them all if you're interested. I'll talk to you guys next time. Take care, everybody. Have a good rest of the weekend and good trading next week.